Today, we're gonna make this simple distort text in Apple Motion. So let's start. Create your text. I already prepared mine. I'm using the font Bebas with the size of 400, and on the properties, it's 0, 0 for the position. Let's animate the Y position. So we have this simple going down animation. Let's put this text group into a new group. Command-Shift-N. Then drag it on the new group. On that new group, go to the group controls and then select fixed resolution. Then inside this group, let's go to filters, distortion, and bump map. Let's change the controls to horizontal and vertical scale. And before that, we need to create our map image. So to do that, Command-Shift-N. Let's rename that group as map. Inside this map group, let's add a rectangle, something like this. Then here on the pull-ups, let's set it to port 25 and on the feather around 35. Go to the properties and make sure that the position is set to 0, 0. Now let's go back to our bump map. Let's drag our map group inside the map image source well. Then let's turn off our map. Then here on the horizontal scale, let's set it to 0.45 and on our vertical scale around negative, let's say negative 25. Then if we scrub through, we have now this distortion text in Apple Motion. You can tweak your settings here on the bump map to get different results. Thank you for watching.